Hey everyone, we're still at Brickenden in Longford, Tasmania, and we have found quite a wonderful little thing. This is the blacksmith's hut. Again, all in those handmade bricks. I can't go completely inside, but I'll show you what I can. Oh, look at that. Can you believe this? And this is all from the 1800s. All preserved. Just incredible. Oh, whoa. Those are the bellows over there. And a brick furnace. Look at this. Look at that. Hand built. Do we make quality like this anymore? Anywhere. Up to the ceiling, up to the rafters. And back down. Whoa. You've got to see this cauldron. That is incredible. Do you see that? Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. These are the frames for all of the wheels for the carts. Just incredible. And look at the worker's anvil. Look at that. Okay. One more shot up to the ceiling. And down. And there's one more little area that I'm going to take you to. Let's see what I can see in here. Yes, you know where I'm going. Let's see what's over in here. Incredible. It looks like some sort of animals were kept in here. If anybody knows anything about this, please, please, please leave a little message or write something. Let me know what you think that would be for. Just beautiful. Such an incredible day out here.